Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Epic Game Launcher on your PC. Let's get started. First, let's start with the easiest fix. Close the launcher completely on your keyboard. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to open Task Manager. Look for Epic Game Launcher.exe, right click it and then choose End Tasks. Then reopen the launcher and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, go ahead and restart your computer. A fresh restart often clears hidden background issues. Next, try running the launcher as administrator. Right click the Epic Games Launcher icon and select Run as administrator. This can fix problems caused by permission errors. Another good fix is to update Windows and your graphics drivers. Outdated software can sometimes block the launcher from starting correctly. If nothing works, the last step is to reinstall the Epic Game Launcher. Go to the official Epic Game website, download the latest version, uninstall the old launcher, and then install the new one. Don't worry, your installed games will stay safe. And that's it. By ending the task, restarting, or running as admin, you can easily get the Epic Game Launcher fixed quickly on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.